Juneteenth. Like, can some of my American subscribers jump in the comments and tell me what that is all about? Greetings troops, welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words. In this video, a quick look back on last week's action for AMC and GameStop, talk around a couple of things that are going on there. Market was closed on Monday because of Juneteenth. Juneteenth, like, can some of my American subscribers jump in the comments and tell me what that is all about? It's the most bizarre holiday I've ever heard, Juneteenth. Anyway, closed on Monday. Yesterday I was busy, so I didn't get a chance to sit down and look at the charts, but today I have, so let's get into it. Straight into AMC then, and not a good time at all, folks. We've broken out and below that ascending level of support. We closed yesterday at $4.59. We actually went even lower. We had a low of $4.49. And I think this is because of the upcoming court case. 29th, 30th of June is scheduled in for that decision on whether AMC can proceed with the conversion of APE back to AMC and then a reverse stock split. Anybody who's followed my channel knows that I'm completely against that. I don't like the idea at all. I think it's going to overinflate the price of AMC to the point where nobody is going to be buying, and it gives shorts an opportunity just to short it right back down again from its new price. We'll see, troops. I'm not clairvoyant. I don't know what's going to happen. However, that's my feelings on it. I hope I'm proven wrong. I'm still hodling. So there you go. Let's wait and see. Less than a week to go now. This time next week, we will be in court. In fact, a week tomorrow, the court case will begin. So let's see. Keep an eye on that. GameStop, quite some news, troops. Last week, Ryan Cohen declaring that he has put in another $10 million of his own cash. You could see that put the price up to a high of $27.65, and ever since then we got hammered back down, unsurprisingly. It was the shareholders meeting last week. I just want to show you something on the 5-minute chart for when that shareholders meeting started. Give me a second. It was just after market open on the 15th. So here we are. And honestly, you like this period here is the shareholder meeting. So as soon as it opened, as soon as the meeting opened, before a word was spoken, 10:55 there, it didn't start until 11. Before a word was spoken, it was already being hammered back down, troops, already being hammered back down. So again, if you need any proof that this stock is being targeted, there it is. Things like that just show me that it's been targeted. Go back onto the daily time frame. You can see that continued for, where are we? That continued for the rest of the week. Obviously, somebody not happy that Ryan Cohen is putting his own money into his own company. For me, bullish, always. Insiders only buy for one reason. That's because they think the price is going up. Anyway, that created a gap between the close of the previous day and the open. So we have, you know what I'm like, troops, gap fills. I talk about gap fills a lot. We talked about it here. We can go back, keep going back. There's other gaps that we've talked about that needed filling. That one needed to be filled as well. That actually got filled yesterday. It tried on Friday, but it only got to a low of 24.42, and it needed to achieve 24.30. 24.30. So it was slightly short, but yesterday it did come down and close that gap, and then it rebounded quite nicely. I'll put the 5-minute chart on in a second, but I just want to talk about this hammer candle here. This is a very, very bullish hammer candle, because if you follow the wick all the way down, that's where sellers were trying to keep the price, and we pushed all the way back up and closed in the green, troops, by 2 cents. If I just give you that on the 5-minute chart, you will see what yesterday looked like. A couple more indicators here of trends that you can look out for. Here we have a W. It's called a double bottom. So you have a bottom here and a bottom here. Generally, it does rebound after that. And then you also have this cup and handle. So it's shaped like a cup there. And there's the handle, and that generally gives you a bullish springboard to work from. And that's how it played out, troops. We finished green, only just green, but we finished green in a market that was pretty much red across the board. So all good, all good, all calm. That is it, troops. Keep an eye out for price movements. Again, price targets. GameStop, quite happy. Finished above that $24. The next one for me was $24.88. I did have it marked up. I don't know why that's gone a little bit lower, but we'll just put that back. It's about there, troops, that next level of resistance. So looking to break through that. AMC, still looking for that $5, troops. With that being said, that is it for this week. I do hope you've enjoyed the content. Thank you to everybody that is subscribing. I really appreciate all of your support. Say hello in the comments. It'd be great to get to know a few of you. Say hello back. With that being said, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops!